Want smooth, hair-free skin without going to the salon? Today, I'll show you how to make wax at home with just 3 simple ingredients. You will need half a cup of lemon juice, half a cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Mix them in a pan. Keep the pan on low heat and stir constantly. It prevents sugar from burning. Keep an eye on the color. When the mixture turns golden brown or light honey-like, turn off the heat. It is the perfect consistency. Let it cool for a few minutes. Do not apply hot wax as it can burn your skin. Apply the wax with your fingers or a spatula, press a cloth over it, and quickly remove it. Look at that smooth skin. A quick tip: always test a small amount of wax on your skin to test for sensitivity. And never apply hot wax to avoid burns. That's it. Your homemade wax is ready to use. Natural, affordable, and super effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you found it useful.